receive an instant email notification whenever someone submits a Google form. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Google Apps Script to send an automatic email containing respondent answers. If you need the code, you can find the link in the description and also in our website. Okay, let's get started. Whether you're collecting registrations, surveys, or orders, this automation will save your time. Let's get started. First, create your Google form with the necessary fields. Open Google Forms and create a new form. If you don't know how to create a form, you can watch this tutorial. Add fields like full name, email address. The next question is, how did you hear about us? For answers, drop down, website, social media, advertisement, and other. Which product or service did you use? Rate your overall experience with us. For answer, linear scale, 1, very poor, to 5, excellent. What did you like most about our product or service? The next question is, what can we improve? The next one, would you recommend us to others? Multiple choice, yes, no, maybe. Would you like to be connected for further promotion? Yes and no. The form is ready. Now click Responses, link to the Sheets to connect responses to Google Sheets. This is important because our script will run every time a new response is added to this sheet. Now that our form is linked to Google Sheets, let's open AppScript to write the automation. Go to Google Sheets where responses are stored, click Extensions, AppScript. Delete any existing code and get ready to add our script. Alright, now let's write a script that will send an email whenever a new form response is submitted. You can find the link to the code and the sheet and also the form in the description. This script grabs the latest response from the Google Sheet, formats the data, and sends an email notification with all the details. You can find the link to the code and the sheet in the description. This script automates Google Form responses, making sure responses are recorded only once, no duplicates. Emails are sent automatically to notify when a response is submitted. Let's go through it step by step. This function automatically runs when someone submits a Google form. These parts grab the active Google Sheet where responses are stored, retrieve the submitted responses, and also prevents the script from running if there is no data. The following parts gets the last recorded row in the sheet, checks if the last timestamp matches the new one, and if a duplicate is found, it logs a message and stops execution. The next step is extracting individual form responses. Each response is assigned to a variable ensuring if no data exists, it sets a default value, for example, no response, and keeps everything structured and easy to read. This calls a separate function to send an email alert when a new response is submitted. And the last step is formatting and sending the email. The email is formatted neatly with all the responses. The Mail app.send email function sends the email to the specific recipient. Make sure to add your email here. Okay, the code is finished, and I click on the Save icon. Now we need to make sure this script runs automatically whenever a new form submission is received. So click on this clock icon, Trigger menu in AppScript, click plus sign to add a trigger, select Send Email Notification as the function, set the event type to OnFormat Submit, and click Save. And that's it. Now every time a Google form is submitted, this script will run automatically and send you an email. Now let's test if everything is working correctly. Open the Google form and publish the form. Now open the form URL and fill in the test submission. Click Submit and check your email inbox. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive an email with the name, email, and all responses from the form. Okay, you learned how to use Google AppScript to send an automatic email containing respondent answers. If you need the code and Google form, you can find the link in the description and also in our website. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Forms. If you have any question, ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.